So, this video of the SEO course is going to be very helpful for you all, so watch the entire video. And as we all know that of page SEO, I mean how important it is to create backlinks if we want to bring the ranking of our website on the top page in search engine. We've taught you so many concepts in this course, even how to create backlinks. But there is one question that is asked many times. That is it possible that we can just buy the paid backlinks? Or maybe we should not purchase the paid backlinks, as it can be a loss for us and we can even lose our ranking as well. So should we buy the paid backlinks or leave it? So in this course I will tell you about this, and along with that there is one more important thing. So that those paid backlinks and the high authority websites can automatically come to you and they wish to post their content on our website as well, right? And as well as they even want to share the backlinks also. So how is that possible? That we don't need to spend money and we'll get things done. So we will learn that today. So in today's video, let's take the first topic, and that is, should we buy the backlink or should we not buy them? We'll discuss this. So let me tell you, do not buy. And I'll give examples why you should not buy. Now let's suppose you just got to know that there is one person who has 50,000 followers and has blue tick. And there is another guy, he also has 70,000 followers and has blue tick. But this person who has 70,000 followers on Instagram, so he has purchased the blue tick. And the person with 50,000 followers have done the hard work and earned it. Now here, to whom you'll give more credit, who has 50,000 or 70,000 followers? So he has earned it with hard work. He has got 50,000 followers and he has not purchased them. So his reach and everything entirely belongs to him. So like this, if there is any such thing like that where even the Google can see it clearly that these are all those websites that can purchase the backlinks, right friends? And then they sell these websites, right? So the authority of these websites, or maybe any such website like that, with which you will create link, or they have the authority. So let me tell you, nothing is hidden from Google. Everything is happening on Google and it knows all. So just like I have taught you how to create backlinks in this course, and you can even see the good quality and bad quality websites and create the backlinks. So that is the best method. But tell me, how is it the best way? It is because you are creating backlinks with the high authority websites, but the quality, I mean, you are just adding the content because you have to create the backlink and you are just copying and pasting it, but you are not utilizing the features and the settings properly. So you will not get the desired results, right? So always create backlinks on quality websites and provide the good quality content to them. So even in less backlinks, you can get good ranking, alright? And secondly, there is no such benefit of taking the paid backlinks, because by the end of the day, your shortcut will turn in long cut process. Might be your website won't rank, or it will come down after ranking. So do not do these things. Now pay attention to what I've said you in starting. In what way all the big and high authority websites and good quality websites will come to you, and even they will not charge any money for that. And they are ready to provide the backlinks to you. Or even they are ready to share their content with you, and it can happen that for that the companies might give you money. And let me tell you that this happens, I have seen it. Even it has happened with our websites also, earlier when we used to operate blogs. So what happens? That when you own website is a high authority website, and for that you have added quality blogs on your website. And on that, good amount of backlinks of the high authority are made. So on those websites there you have given the quality content, so you have got the organic traffic there. After analyzing all these things, the other website, like high authority website, would like to connect with you. And even low authority website, by low I means those websites that are fine and are not very bad, they'll like to connect with you. And there are many such websites who will say that we will provide you the good content, and as well as we will give you the money for creating the backlinks. So there is one very good way to connect with the outer world. It is that you should start making blogs on your own website. Create quality blogs, add some creativity in that, and try to engage more people on that. I mean, if the traffic would be organic and the authority of your website is good, and even you are consistently posting many good blogs there, so you will see that you will be getting to know that they will come daily and are ready to provide the backlinks to you. And we are ready to create the content for you, right? and you will definitely get everything, but there is no shortcut for that. You have to do the hard work and put in the efforts. So you have to do all things like creating the content, and then you have to post the content, then do some on page activity. All right, so it's up to you. You have to decide now. I've shared my experience and method of doing it. So from 17 or 18 years we are doing SEO and providing service of website designing, digital marketing, and we are providing its courses with AI. So I'm telling you from my experience, it is a waste to buy the backlinks that are paid. All right, and if you think that the website is per good and as well as it is worth it, and you are not just doing it daily, rather this is done once in a while, so that is a very different thing. All right, so you can try it. But the time that you will invest in your own website, I mean the efforts that you will put in creating and maintaining the quality backlinks and adding quality blogs and bringing in organic traffic, so it might take little extra time, effort, and as well as you will have to invest money, but you will get very good ranking on all the keywords that you want. Organic traffic will come and you will generate good business. So this is the right process of doing these things, and it will benefit you. So I hope you are liking this course and you are learning from this as well. So friends, try to create quality backlinks and make your website very popular so that everyone is liking it. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you.